Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Sit down, please.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine. I am the new office assistant.
Okay. Your information before. What's your first name?
Alex.
Okay. What's your middle name?
I don't have.
Good. What's your last name?
Alvarez.
Okay. How do I spell Alvarez?
Alvarez.
Okay. What's your nationality?
I am Peruvian.
Okay. Where are you from?
I am from Cajamarca.
Good. What's your address?
It's 137 Ancon Street.
Okay. What's your email address?
It's alex199392@hotmail.com.
Okay, good. How old are you?
It's 21.
Okay. What's your cell phone number?
It's 943982416.
Okay. That is all, Alex. Welcome.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
See you later, Alex.